The attack on the International Islamic University in Islamabad has sent shockwaves through the entire country and among students in particular. In addition to the local students who now fear for their lives, several international students are equally in danger of falling victim to terror attacks. A large number of foreign students studying at the University of Nawabshah say they are not satisfied with security arrangements at their campus.
When talking about the security system here, well, I feel like I'm not satisfied a bit because even earlier, if something didn't happen, I feel like it's just a coincidence because of luck. Because even if they wanted to, I don't see any kind of security here actually.
But many of the students feel less at risk studying at universities in smaller cities. And for some, the threat of terrorism is nothing new.
We had a terrorist problem for 30 years and we were also expecting these kind of threats any moment. And our parents are really happy to say, they are really relaxed that we are here in Nawabshah.
Officials at the university say that government authorities have been unable to provide security at the Nawabshah University. The principal has urged the government to beef up security at the campus, especially after the attack on the International Islamic University.
I think after yesterday's attack, we are going to request them to provide the security. But still at present, they have not yet provided us security.
The terrorist attack on the International Islamic University has instilled fear in the hearts of students across the country. Such fear that the government has been forced to close schools and universities across the country for a week. While some students at the Nawabshah University feel safer because they are studying in a small city institution, administrators believe further steps need to be taken to ensure that more students do not fall victim to terror.